Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking for the Missus. My name is Andy, and in today's video we are going to be doing some Caribbean style jerk chicken. It's going to be absolutely delicious. Using the freshest, simplest ingredients, we can make this fantastic recipe together. So I've got some coriander here. What I'm going to do is just going to chop them up into smaller pieces because we're going to put all this into a food processor, which makes it a lot easier to blend up at the end. We've got ourselves 2 spring onions. Nip off the end of those and chop those into little chunks. Now then, the conspiracy. Here we go, the chili. So this is supposed to be done with scotch bonnets, but everybody who's watched my videos before knows I am terrified of chilies. So all I use in this one is one de-seeded green chili. But like I say, if you like your spicy food, I strongly suggest you out and get some nice hot chilies for this one. Next up, get yourself a lime. We're going to chop that bad boy in half. That's like 2 rays of sunshine. Save half of it to one side for later. We're going to use half at this point now. Next up, we've got all the dried herbs and spices. There is a full list of ingredients in the description down below, guys. Some ginger paste and some garlic paste. We're going to be using some extra virgin olive oil and some dark rum. I'm going to stick all this into my food processor. In with the ginger paste, in with the garlic paste. Squeeze a lime. In with your herbs and spices. And then with the rum. Now, put as much rum in this as you like. I put quite a big glug in there, but like I say, it's entirely up to you, it's your preference. You don't want to be getting too drunk when you're making this recipe. About a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil goes in there now. Now we're just going to blend it all together. Blending, blending, keep on blending. Blending some more, and we're blending. Let's get on with the chicken. So for my recipe, I'm using chicken thighs. Really important that you use chicken on a bone. What we're going to do is slice it right the way down to the bone. That's going to allow all the succulent juices to penetrate in there when we do the marinade. It's going to absolutely great. Penetrate really deep in there. So do that with all your chicken thighs. So if you cut it really deep, right the way down to the bone, it looks like that, and then like I say, all the marinade will go right deep into it. We're going to marinate that for, I would probably say, 2 to 3 hours at least in the fridge. Leave it overnight if you want the best results, but 2 to 3 hours should be fine. So we're now going to get the chicken, and we're going to put it into a baking tray, which is absolutely not about 100 years old. It's a brand new baking tray, that lot, you can tell. Passed down through generations, that has. Just going to put it onto the baking tray. We're going to put this into the oven on 200 degrees for about 45 minutes to get it nice and gnarly and black on top. Get that char grilled taste to it, it's going to be absolutely delicious. We pop that into the oven. 45 minutes later, that's what you get. Look at that. That is absolutely delicious. I just serve this up over some plain rice, finish it off with some chopped coriander and a good squeeze of lime. And that's this recipe, guys. Thank you very much for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a comment down below, like this video and subscribe to my channel to become part of the family. And until next time, I'll see you in the next video.